Okay, just take a moment to find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes and begin by taking a few deep breaths. Focus your attention on the sensation of breathing. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Let your breath be an anchor for your mind. As you continue breathing, be aware of any thoughts or fears that arise from the car accident and concerns about your kidney. Acknowledge them without judgment or attachment. Allow your mind to be an open space, like a mirror, effortlessly reflecting the arising sensations. Now, as you pay attention to your breath, also notice any sounds around you and any physical sensations in your body. Simply observe them as they naturally occur, without trying to control or suppress them. Let your mind be that spacious container where all these experiences, including your worries, appear. Take this time to find calmness and peace within, nurturing yourself amidst the fear and uncertainty. If you find yourself feeling fearful and concerned after a car accident, pay very careful attention to something. Could be the breath, or sounds, or any sensations in your body. Now, direct your focus to the feeling of paying attention itself. Where do you feel this fear in your body? Observe if you are lost in thoughts in your head, or if you are separate from the breath, or behind your eyes. Contemplate whether there's a central point to your consciousness, or if everything, including the fear of losing a kidney tonight, is simply arising within your awareness. In the last minute of this session, take a deep breath and allow yourself to be present. Acknowledge the fear and anxiety that arises from the car accident and concerns about your kidney. Let those emotions be here without judgment or resistance. Leave your mind wide open, without making any effort at all. Simply observe what you notice in each passing moment, whether it's the racing thoughts or the sensations in your body. Once again, I want to thank you for your dedication to this practice. As you navigate through this challenging time, seek moments of clarity and inner strength, even amidst the fear of losing a kidney. Notice any moments of respite or calmness. Allow yourself to find solace and courage within. And I'll be here to support you in future sessions. With Meditator AI,